Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com and I'm currently on board the beautiful, newly amplified Oasis of the Seas. One of the things that I was most excited about with this massive renovation, $165+ million, was that they were adding a few new categories to the ship that looked amazing. This is one of them. This is the ultimate Panoramic Suite. It's on the same wing as basically where the bridge is, so you get the same exact views as the captain. The views are unparalleled from what I know of on any cruise ship in the entire world. So let me show you what this room is all about. The max capacity for this room is 4, and it's perfect for a family traveling together, possibly for 2 couples, but it's also a great room to host a party or host friends that come over. So right when we come in here, you're gonna have storage. You can see that this is a brand new category, so it looks different than on the rest of the ship. It looks a lot more similar to Symphony of the Seas or Quantum or one of those than it does to the Allure and the Oasis. You've got your hanging storage here. This would be for anybody who's in the living room. You've got all of the storage here and then below as well. And then there's some upper storage. I'm a pretty tall guy, so I can use it. You may not be able to, who knows? Okay, one more closet here, more hanging space, storage up top and down below. So one awesome feature of this room is that you have a bathroom on the entry. So once again, if you're hosting a party, you're hosting some friends, this is something that you will be able to utilize for that. And also if you have kiddos staying here, they can use this in the evening. So right here, you've got your backlit mirror. You've got some plugs here for a razor and storage underneath. I absolutely love that they've done this in this room, and I'm hoping that this is a sign of things to come where you can put things away completely underneath there. Couple things here that I wanted to point out. Right when we come in to the right here, you've got more storage. You also have 2 European plugs, 2 US plugs. I always bring an extra converter so that I can basically utilize every single plug in the entire room. Just like in the suites in the back, you have this really cool table that can move. So you can see it can slide forward and back. It could be utilized as for dining. It can be utilized for writing and different things. But basically you have this large desk area here. Okay, so over here you're gonna have your sink there, a ton of storage underneath. You've got your mini fridge right here. And then drawers and storage on the other side as well. Because this is a star class suite, you're gonna get the Ely espresso maker and then the Ely espresso pods. Absolutely delicious, some of the best coffee in the entire world. So you see the mass expanse of this living room. It's absolutely huge, and you have this huge sofa that does convert into a bed. So for me, this is a really, really comfortable place. It's really big. You've got a huge flat screen TV just in front of me. I would absolutely love this room with my family. So let's continue on through into the bathroom. All right, so now I'm heading into the master bathroom. There's a little step up there, okay? So you have 2 sinks. You got the full double vanity. I love that. The first one is right here. You've got your plug-ins for a razor. I absolutely love this. And once again, I hope it's a sign of things to come. So right here, you've got 2 huge drawers where you can put things away completely. I really, really love that on a cruise. Okay, over to my left here, you have the toilet. Unlike some of the other star suites, it does not have a bidet, but generally for most people, that does not make a huge difference. Okay, and then we'll head over to the shower. So this shower is huge, and something that I really wanted to point out to you is this entire thing is the rainforest shower head. So it's as big as my entire body. You've got the extra shower head here, and then also the one that is portable as well. So you've got 3 different shower nozzles in there, and a really nice large size soaking bath. You have the upgraded L'Occitane bath amenities because it is a suite. You got a second vanity over here with the plugs, a makeup mirror. But what is so special about this particular bathroom is when I look straight out, I get incredible views in front of the ship. So once again, we're right above where the captain is, and you see incredible views straight in front of you, so you can soak in the bath and just really relax and take in the Caribbean. All right, so now we're heading out into the dressing room area. So it's kind of like the walk-in closet dressing room. You can see there's a ton of storage for this room. So here, you're gonna have hanging storage there. On top and bottom, you also have more. Here you've got more hanging storage. Once again, more storage up on top here. Another bit of hanging storage here. And finally, more hanging storage with all kinds of shelves on the left. This is also where you're gonna find your safe. It's not quite big enough for a full laptop, not that big of a deal, but perfect for passports and money and things along those lines. One thing that I really appreciate about this room is in the bathroom, the living room, and the master, you're gonna have these separate climate controls, and it also has that quick cool button. I love that. As soon as you come in, you press the button and it's gonna cool down the entire room for you. A couple other things for this particular space is you have this, this desk that could be used as a writing desk actually. It's also a vanity to get ready. There's storage on both sides. You got your hairdryer here. A little more storage down below. great chair here to get ready where you can sit. And then once again, these unbelievable views straight out the front of the ship. That is so incredibly cool. And now we're heading into the master bedroom, which for me completely and totally makes this room for a couple reasons. One, I don't know of that many other rooms anywhere in the cruise industry that have a full 270-degree wrap around view. So the living room's over there, the bathroom's over there, and there's windows all the way around. It's absolutely beautiful. So right when you get in, you'll notice you have the full king-size bed. And next to the bed, you're gonna have a Euro plug, US plug, and also a couple USBs. I love that because this is a brand new space. They were able to put those USB chargers and the plugs by the bed, which is something that's not in all the other suites on board. You head over to the other side. Once again, you have a US plug back there, a Euro plug, and then a couple USB ports. And just like the other side here, you've got storage by the bed and a little storage under here as well. So you have a full pillow menu. If you want to have softer pillows like goose pillows or maybe isotonic or something, all you have to do is ask your genie. Let me talk just a little bit about that for a second. So one other thing that makes this incredibly special is that you get the full star class experience on board Royal. That's going to give you everything, the full Voom internet, the deluxe beverage package and dining package. You can have all of your meals in the room if you like, but the biggest thing is that you have that genie to ask for whatever you want, whenever you want it, and they are really, really amazing. They're kind of a butler to the next level on steroids, right? It's a really, really cool position that doesn't exist on other ships. Let me show you a little bit more of this room here. Okay, so one cool thing, and they're just finishing it right now, is right here you've got a large flat panel TV that will come down, but once again, it doesn't get in the way of these unobstructed views that look directly out. You've got seating over here on the side, perfect place to read a book, a little more over here as well. And right now they're just finishing up this incredible room. It's brand new, and once again, it did not exist before. One very final thing that I wanted to point out was all of this is operated by sheer curtains here, up and down. And then there's nothing in front of you, there's nothing to the side of you, but behind you here, there is another room. So for privacy, concerns, maybe that's something you want to think about, but the easy thing to do is just put down these curtains, just these two of them, and then you have a ton of privacy all the time. So when you're ready to book this incredible suite, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your Royal Caribbean suite experts. We know the suites inside and out, the entire experience, and we can make sure that you and your family have an unbelievable Royal Caribbean vacation at an incredible value.